Good morning, children. How are you? I think everyone is fine. Yes? Okay. Already in previous class, I explained the coastal plains and islands. What is coastal plain? Coastal plain means the low-lying area along a coast. Yes, the low-lying area along a coast. The coastal plain surrounded it from Gujarat in the west to West Bengal in the east. Yes, the coastal plains in the west are called Western Coastal Plains, and the coastal plains in the east are called Eastern Coastal Plains. Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains, two plains meet at Kanyakumari. Eastern Coastal Plains is a wide stretch of land. Understood? Eastern Coastal Plains, a wide stretch of lands. The stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. West Bengal to north to Tamil Nadu in the south. Eastern Coastal Plains has two parts. One is northern Sarkar's coast and Coromandel coast. Understood? Next, the Chilka Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. It is in Odisha. Next, Western Coastal Plains. Western Coastal Plains is a thin strip of land. Stretch from the state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. Understood? Western Coastal Plains is divided into three parts. There are the Gujarat coast in the north. Konkan coast in the middle. Okay. Malabar coast in the south. Understood? Gujarat coast in the north. Konkan coast in the middle. Malabar coast in the south. Understood? Next, life in the coastal plain. Next topic, life in the coastal plains. I explained some states. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Puducherry. Yes? Odisha is a fertile state. Agriculture and fishing is the main occupation of the people. Next, Andhra Pradesh is the eighth largest state of India. Visakhapatnam port is an important seaport of India. Tamil Nadu has a long consistent called the Coromandel coast. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Marina Beach is the largest beach. Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. Next, Puducherry. Puducherry is known as a Union Territory of India. The famous Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir is located here. Next, Gujarat lies on the west coast of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city in the state, and the famous Sabarmati Ashramam is located here. Next, Maharashtra Maharashtra is the third largest state in the country. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and it is also an important center for business and industries, etc. Okay, all this is from the previous class. All this is from previous class. Now I will explain remaining states and islands. The next state, Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. Goa is land of beautiful. Goa is a land of beautiful sandy beaches and old churches and beautiful temples and well-maintained museums. Understood? Goa is a land of beautiful sandy beaches, old churches, beautiful temples, and well-maintained museums also. Okay. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. And the people here are also engaged in fishing and farming. Cashew nuts, rice, spices, coconuts, mangoes, crops also grown here. Understood? Cashew nuts, coconuts, rice, and cashew nuts, coconuts, rice, spices. Mangoes are the main crops grown here. Understood? Goa is a smallest state of India. Understood? Goa is a land of beautiful sandy beaches and old churches and beautiful temples and well-maintained museums also. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Understood? Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. The people here are also engaged in fishing and farming. And cashew nuts, coconuts, rice, spices, mangoes are the main crops grown here. Next state, Karnataka. A part of the state of Karnataka in the Konkan coast. Understood? A part of the state of Karnataka lies in the Konkan coast. With other parts lying in the Deccan Plateau. Understood? A part of the state a part of the state of Karnataka. Lies in the Konkan coast. With the other part lying in the Deccan Plateau. Understood? Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is known as the informational technology or IT capital of India. Understood? Bangalore is known as the information technology and IT or information technology or IT capital of India. Karnataka has a thick teak forest. Teak forests along its coastal areas. Teak means wood and type of wood. Teak forests along its coastal plains areas. Mangalore is an important seaport of the state Karnataka. Mangalore is an important seaport of the state. Understood? Karnataka, a part of the state of Karnataka lies in the Konkan coast, with other part lying in the Deccan Plateau. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is as known as the informational technology or IT capital of India. Understood? Karnataka has thick teak forests along its coastal area. Understood? Next, Mangalore is an important seaport. Seaport of the state. Understood? Next, Kerala. Kerala is the state of Kerala lies in the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. The state is known for its beautiful backwaters. Understood? The state of Kerala lies in the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Understood? The state is known for its beautiful backwaters. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. And coconut, coffee, cocoa, rubber, spices are main crops grown here. Understood? Coconut, cocoa, rubber, coffee and spices are main crops grown here. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. India. The next topic, islands. Islands. You know that. Already you know that. Islands. Already you know that. Island. An island is a piece of a land. Piece of a land surrounded by water. Understood? Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Understood? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Surrounded by water. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Understood? Islands, a number of islands surrounded the coastal plains. A number of islands surrounded the coastal plains. Of these, the two biggest group of islands are the Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. Island. Lakshadweep Islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. A number of islands surrounded the coastal plains. Understood? Of these, the two biggest group of islands are the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman and Nicobar. These islands are lies in the Bay of Bengal. These islands lies in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are lies in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two islands group forming one union territory. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two islands groups forming one union territory. Understood? The Andaman lies to the north, Nicobar lies to the south. Andaman lies to the north and Nicobar lies to the south. The capital of this union territory is Port Blair. Port Blair. The capital of this union territory is Port Blair. The main occupations are agriculture, fishing, animal rearing and construction. Understood? The main occupations are agriculture, fishing and animal rearing and constructions. Understood? Rice is the main food crop along with maize, rubber, coconut, etc. Understood? Malabar, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two islands. Group forming is one union territory. Understood? The Andaman lies to the north and Nicobar lies to the south. Understood? The capital of this union territory is Port Blair. Understood? Next, rice is the main occupations are agriculture, fishing and animal rearing and constructions. Rice is the main crop here. Along with maize, rubber, coconut also. Understood? Next, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands is the smallest union territory of India. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar lies in the Bay of Bengal. Yes. Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands. Out of which only 10 are inhabited by people. Understood? Lakshadweep Islands is the smallest union territory of India. Understood? Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands are group of 36 islands. Out of which only 10 are inhabited by people. Only 10 islands are inhabited by people. Kavatti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. This islands is formed by the deposition of corals. This islands is formed by the deposition of corals. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. The main crop grown here is coconut. Understood? Coconut. This is today's topic completed. Next, I will tell about textbook bits. Okay, first remember. A coastal plain is the lowland that runs along a coast. A coastal plain is the lowland that runs along a coast. A coastal plains means the low-lying area along a coast. Yes, the eastern coastal plains is divided into two parts. One is the northern circle and the Coromandel coast. The western coastal plains is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. The southern part of the eastern coastal plains is called the dash coast. Already 3 multiple choice is there. A is Malabar, B Coromandel, C Konkan. Eastern coastal plains. Coromandel, Coromandel. Kerala, B. Correct answer, B. Kerala is a famous for its museums, backwaters, islands. B answer, backwaters. Backwaters. Next, the Chilaka Lake is in the state of Odisha. Maharashtra, Kerala, Odisha. Odisha. Dash is the Union Territory. Puducherry, Port Blair, Kavatti. Puducherry. RRY. CHERRY. Puducherry. Mangalore is an important seaport in Mangalore, Karnataka. Karnataka. Okay. First bit answer B. Second also B. Third one C. Fourth one A. Fifth one B. Next. Name the following. Name the following. Name the following. A river of the eastern coastal plains. A river of the eastern coastal plains that forms delta. A delta in the eastern coast. Godavari. Godavari. The capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair. Already I told. Port Blair. A group of islands formed by coral depositions. Lakshadweep. 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 Islands. A longest beach of India. A longest beach of India. Marina. Marina Beach in Chennai. Yes. A famous ashram in Gujarat founded by Mahatma Gandhi. Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram is the famous ashram in Gujarat. Sabarmati Ashram is famous in ashram in Gujarat. Okay, founded by Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Understood everyone? Okay, next, true or false? An island is, the Hirakud Dam is built on the river Godavari. False. False. The coast of Tamil Nadu is called the Coromandel Coast. True. Bombay Highway is located in Maharashtra. Yes. Bombay is capital of Maharashtra. Yes. The Marina Beach is located in Bangalore. No, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. False. Next, answer the questions. I will give the notes and the textbook bits also. Okay. Children, please, everyone, open your textbook. Once read the lesson. Understood? Once read the lesson. Okay, notes and textbook bits also I will send. Okay, children, please send your worksheets. Okay, thank you.